Breaking into the scene, a guide to understanding and using this popular phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood: break into the scene. This expression is quite popular, and knowing how to use it can add a dynamic layer to your English conversations. So, let's break it down together. When someone breaks into the scene, they suddenly or successfully enter a particular field or area of interest, especially one that is public or well-known. It's often used to describe emerging musicians, artists, actors, or businesses that gain recognition or success in a competitive environment. The key aspect here is the notion of entering with impact or making a noticeable debut. Understanding the origins and how a phrase is used in context can greatly enhance your grasp of it. The phrase, break into the scene, combines the idea of breaking into, which implies entering forcefully or with effort, and the scene, which refers to a specific area of activity or interest. It's a metaphorical way of saying someone has made a significant entry into a field that has a scene, like the music scene, art scene, or even the tech scene. To fully grasp the usage of break into the scene, let's look at some examples. The band broke into the indie music scene with their debut album, which was a huge hit. After years of hard work, she finally broke into the acting scene with a role in a blockbuster movie. The new tech startup broke into the scene with its innovative approach to online learning. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various fields, highlighting the sudden or impactful entry into a competitive or public arena. Using this phrase correctly involves a few tips. Be mindful of the context. It's most appropriate in discussions about public, competitive, or creative fields. Emphasize the impact. The phrase suggests not just entry, but a noticeable or impactful one. Combine with storytelling. It's a great phrase for narratives or when describing someone's journey to success. And that's a wrap on break into the scene. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase and how you can use it to add depth to your English conversations. Whether you're talking about someone's impressive debut in a new field or discussing breakthroughs in various industries, break into the scene is a versatile expression that can make your language more vivid and engaging. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.